Hey team, Master Schiele here. Today we're going to talk about how to do a knife hand strike, also sometimes known as the karate chop. If you've not yet, please do hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all that great stuff. It'll keep me sending this information to you. Let's get started. So the knife hand strike, position is key. Position is everything. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a hand like this. Fingers always together, thumb inside, tight, really, really strong. Now, when I turn my hand, what I don't want to see is I don't want to see it super straight, and I don't want to see the fingers rolled back. I just want to see a slight curve of the hand right there. Nice and solid. So when you hit, a good way to check this is you take a surface. Now, of course, hit lightly, don't hurt yourself, okay? Just a light tap, okay? If it's straight like this, and you hit, you're gonna hurt your fingers and you're gonna feel that, right? So what I wanna do is nice and strong, curved, and that's how I'm gonna hit. It shouldn't hurt if you do it properly. And that is the knife hand strike. I'll see you in our next video. Take care.